as above, so below. What does that really mean? If something means this, it's also going to mean this. I have a core belief that everything resonated from darkness itself. Just close your eyes, and then that's it. Most of us in society are experiencing not the best lives, okay? We're experiencing emotions that we definitely don't want to experience, and a lot of us take pride in that. But did you know that the same feelings on the other end of the spectrum, joy, happiness, abundance, peacefulness. Alright guys, coming to you live, South Beach, Miami, Botanical Garden. Universal Mastery is my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. And then we have
Infinite Vibration. Infinite Vibes.
Yes. So go ahead, like and subscribe our channels. Basically what we're going to go into today is we're just going to kind of go off the top and just find a topic to talk about. And then we're just having you guys tune in because a lot of the stuff we talk about is actually like really powerful. And I've noticed that when we have conversations, like things start to manifest very quickly.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that? What do you think about like when we talk about things, like when we hang out and it has like a lot of purpose behind it? Have you noticed that those things that we talk about start to really show up in the material?
It manifests faster because of the intention. Because the reason why this happens very fast is when two people have the same intention of making things come to reality. Because of our energy, we believe that what we speak will come to fruition, to physical form.
Yeah.
With that same vibration and your same intent, it helps manifest into a physical form.
Yeah.
And you know, I don't know about how you feel about that, but I believe every time we hang out, we're talking about something, we're gonna find a parking spot right there. We believe it's already there.
That's right.
We pull up and then it is.
Yeah.
Or we're talking about something, then we run into some people that are on the same vibration with us.
Yeah.
Of what we're talking about.
Yeah.
You know, like numbers, because we believe in numerology and all those things. So we're talking about some vibration.
Yeah.
And then we see around, start seeing those things.
Yeah.
And I love that we talk about these things because what happens is when you meet people who are on the same vibration, who are about evolving and connected to the infinite self,
Yeah.
which is the infinite universe, then what happens is you're not alone. I don't think I want to be by myself to manifest things. Meaning people who are as powerful as you that expand their growth beyond our limited minds, coming together, it's more powerful than just me doing it by myself.
Yeah, that's literally what I was just gonna go into about the fact that's like, okay, cool. You could take like 10 people that are operating on a, let's say, a moderate vibration, a moderate. That's still gonna be way more. That's gonna be insanely more powerful than just that one person on that moderate vibration.
Yes.
Because you're taking a little bit of a, like almost in a scientific way, you're taking like a fraction out of everyone's energy level, and you're combining it together into one being. It's almost like an entity that is coming together with your higher self and my higher self coming together and creating almost like a multi-dimensional being.
Yes.
In that moment.
And there's a power of unity and love and camaraderie and the community that brings that into form. That spiritual vibration comes into physical form faster.
That's right.
When people have the intention of uniting for a common good of expanding the consciousness.
Yeah.
Just the thought of let's unite together.
Yeah.
It just brings it, like looking at this color of shit seeds that this is green and this is yellow.
Yes.
And then just the idea of this being together, it makes this place look beautiful.
That's right.
It's an intent.
It is, and it's a very vibrant color in the first place. It's a very high frequency color.
Yes.
Personally, what I think green means to me, and what I know it means to me is like it means life force. What people like to call chi, what people like to call kundalini, the serpent, whatever. This represents to me like that highest energy that we all have. That's in us.
Yes.
Now, what does pink represent to you?
Pink to me represents compassion. Intimacy, love.
Yeah.
You know, it just has that vibrant of ease and soothing to me. And the yellow is fiery, like the sun. See the Miami Miami Beach sun.
Yeah,
It's
the hot sun.
It's,
Right.
yeah,
That's
but
hot
again,
on me right now. Right?
again, I mean, and then if we're talking about the chakras,
Yeah.
of course, the green is the heart chakra, which is like like you said.
I didn't know that. I don't really study the chakras
Oh,
that
really?
well.
Yeah.
Because
So,
personally, I feel like I've transcended the chakras.
Yes.
Subconsciously, like
yes,
I didn't know. Like I never studied chakras.
yes,
I knew they were there,
yes,
but I've always literally all I did was I worked on my own self-awareness, and I
Yes.
did that for such a long time and with such intensity. Honestly, it probably is not even considered a long time compared to what some people do.
Yeah.
But I didn't take it so scientifical, as in the sense of like I need to read all these books to now understand this. I took the practical
yes,
like life application to it,
Yes.
and I became very, very self-aware of who I am very
Yes.
quickly
yes.
because of that, and I had a lot of momentum, and that lasted for a couple of years. All right, guys, so the camera just overheated because it was in the sun and it was really hot, as we were talking about.
Too much fire. That's what happened.
Too much
Just
fire.
too much energy, vibrant energy that met the battery. Just die off.
It overheated.
That's all it is.
So
It
now
overheated.
we're coming back, and we're gonna pick up where we left off. So where we left off is we were talking about the chakras, and Gabriel was talking about his application, that he pretty much went through the studying of what the chakras were, and then he transcended them after. Then after that, he did the practical application, and then transcended them. And I did it the complete opposite way, and it still worked. So you can do things many ways and still get very powerful results. It doesn't ever have to be one solid direction. Don't ever, if someone tells you it has to be this way, it's the only way it's going to work, you know that person is not worth investing too much time and energy on.
They're not open-minded. This universe is vast and infinite to just have one specific way to do anything. So because as we talked about the other day, when you go this way, the energy is also going that way. Because for it to have a balance, it has to have both perspectives.
Yeah.
In order to have a concrete, manifestation.
That's right.
So you can't just expect something to go that way and stays that way. So the shadow aspect of it is going this way as well.
Yeah.
So that's what we're talking about. So you can't have one way of seeing things.
That's right.
Because that's why there's infinite people, different perspective of people, different race, different religion, different everything, different lifestyle, so that we can learn from each other and then discover our own. So yes, for the chakras, I just saw the colors, as a way to kind of open your energy fields. And then we always talk about this, but for me, I'm not attached to the fact that you gotta work on your green color, your purple color, and all those things. For me, is when I meditate,
Yeah.
and any colors that come to me, I meditate on that, because that's a vibration. There's a reason why my higher self, the universe, is sending me a message through different colors. So if that color comes, I focus on that color. What does this color mean at this specific time?
Yeah.
What message is this trying to bring to me?
Yeah.
And then it will tell you what it is, and
Yeah.
then you will know. And then you can, okay, this is just for me to kind of believe in myself more, or just don't be afraid to take the move, or speak your mind,
Yeah.
speak your truth, or maybe heal something that's been bothering you, But it will give you, based on your connection
Yeah.
to the infinite universe,
Yeah.
you will know how to communicate with you, because you have been working diligently to evolve and expand.
Yeah.
To expand is by being able to see anything and be able to communicate with it
Yes. Yeah.
instant.
Yeah. So so basically what you're saying, and I agree with that too. It's like for me, the healing color is blue, which is funny because you're sitting on that right now.
Yeah.
But for me, that's what usually what I envision when
Yeah.
when there's a phase of my life where I'm going to go through a healing process.
Yes.
But
But how did that come to?
But that's what I'm saying,
Yeah.
because I see it as that, and,
Okay.
and that's what I've studied.
There you
So a different color can come in. Let's say it's like magenta,
Yes.
and that could be someone else's feeling color. And
Yes.
how they view it and how they
Yes.
put the intention behind it.
Or their higher self use that as a way to connect to them.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
they are their higher self.
That's
and
right.
They make that connection.
That's
so it's
right.
like
That's
all
right.
the power lies in what you make of things.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's the importance of becoming the most self-aware within your own self, because then you literally take mastery over your own mind and your reality, because
Yes.
you start putting meaning to things.
Absolutely.
And that's so it's like when a master of his mind comes in contact with another master of his mind, we have completely different realities, yet they're all based on an underlying universal truth alignment.
Absolutely.
See what I'm
Absolutely. because it's, at the end of the day, the intention is to unite,
Yeah.
to expand our knowledge, our wisdom, ourselves, to evolve, to become one with the infinite universe.
That's right.
So you come up with your own experience, you sharing your light,
Yep.
which is the experience, and I am sharing my light through my experience, and then we can learn from each other and join together, and then manifest that into a physical form,
That's right. Yeah.
which expands more. So now when I see blue, I see you, and I say, wow, this is a healing energy.
See?
And then it's like amazing. Then when you see green or pink or purple,
Now
then
I'm
it's like,
thinking what you brought to the table with that.
exactly,
Because it's like when you go to a dark room, what's going to shine brighter? One flashlight or two?
exactly,
And then
that's right.
And then it's like pinging off different
Yeah.
ideas.
Yes.
Because the reason why I see blue as a healing color
Yes.
is because that's what I've read. That's
Yes.
what I've studied from other people that
Yes.
brought me to my awareness of what colors can even do.
Yeah.